Welcome. In this video, we're guiding you through configuring Google Login on your eDirectory website. Once set up, visitors can sign in with Google accounts, streamlining the login experience. Before we start, ensure your site is linked to its final live domain, as Google Login can't be set up on temporary URLs. If you need to update your domain, watch our domain change tutorial first. Let's begin. Sign in to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com/APIs. If you have a Google Cloud project for your site, select it from the project selector at the top. If not, create one by clicking the project selector, choose New Project, enter a name, and click Create. In Notifications, select your project. Next, click on the OAuth consent screen. Click Get Started to proceed. Enter your website's name as the application name. Select a support email address, then click Next. Choose External for the audience. For contact info, you can use the same email as your support email. Click Next. Check the box, click Continue, then click Create. Once the consent screen is created, open the branding section. Scroll to the app domain fields. Enter your website's homepage URL without a trailing slash. For privacy policy and terms of service links, access your site manager. Go to Design, Page Editor to find them. View both links and copy them. Paste them in the respective fields for terms and privacy policy. For authorized domains, add your domain without www or https. If using a subdomain like marketing.demodirectory.com, just add the main domain. In this example, marketing needs to be removed. Just add the demodirectory.com. Use the main domain if you have one. Click Save to apply changes. From the branding page, go to Overview, then click Create OAuth Client. Select Web Application for the application type and name it Google Login. For authorized JavaScript origins, add your URL. If using a root domain, add both the www and non-www versions. For subdomains, add only the subdomain. We've added marketing.edirectory.com. For authorized redirect URLs, add your URL ending with /sponsors/googleauth.php. If you're using a root domain, add both the www and non-www versions. If you're using a subdomain, add only the subdomain version. Click Create to finalize. A message will confirm the OAuth client creation. You'll see the client ID, which you can copy. Now, access the Site Manager on your eDirectory website. Go to Settings, then Sign In Options. In Google Login Settings, paste the client ID. Return to Google and click OK. Click on Google Login again to find the client secret. Copy it and return to your Site Manager to paste it in the client secret field. Click Enable Sign In using Google and save changes. Your Google login is now set up. To test, view your site and try signing in with Google. Continue through the sign-in process. And there you have it. You're logged in with Google. That's all there is to it. Google Login is now ready on your eDirectory site, offering a faster sign-in method. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials for more configuration tips. See you in the next video.